I don't wanna be a rose. I'd rather be a magnolia alone, standing where the quiet grows, in a light that no one knows. Through the cold and silent days, I learned how to wait this way. After a long, long winter, when spring finally comes with 100 little lights, I wanna light your spring. Not too loud, not too close, just enough for your heart to know. I won't chase the passing eyes or try to burn across your sky. When the air begins to warm, I'll be there, soft as dawn. No need to rush, no need to show. Some things only time can grow. I wanna be a magnolia, not a rose. Like your spring in a gentle glow. Not too strong, not imposed, just to calm your soaking hold. I wanna be a magnolia, not a rose. If one day you stop and stay, you might find me in your way. Not to take, not to prove, just a light you never chose. Today I took a single bloom, placed it softly in my room. Maybe what was broken too was a part of me, not you. Closing up the door tonight, alone beneath the quiet sky.